Welcome to this video on walking through exercise 5.1, creating your first report from scratch. In this short exercise, we'll walk through creating a report from scratch using the blank report from the start page. We'll add the customer table, drag the fields that we want onto the design in the details section, and save our file. In this video, we'll walk through creating our first report completely from scratch. In the startup screen, let's choose blank report. From our connections, let's open the tree view for the Crystal Extreme database. Look at the tables, and let's add the customer table. Now it's time to select our fields. If the Field Explorer is not visible, you can always go up to View, Field Explorer. The panel can be pinned so that it will fly out when you need it or held in place. Expand the database fields and the fields for the customer table. For our report, we're going to select the customer name, the address, the region, the country, and the postal code, and we're going to place them into the details section. In our report design, we have the report header, the details section, and footer sections. We're working in the details section. Let's start by adding the customer's name. I drag the customer name field into the details section. This is going to be a very full report in a portrait orientation, so we're going to squeeze it in all the way to the left of the details section. Notice that in the heading of that section, the field name or the title of the field is also put in as a label for us automatically. Very convenient. Now let's add the remaining fields. We need the address one, region, country, and postal code. All right, let's save this report. And name it E5.1 Customer Information. We can also view the print preview to see what the report will look like and make any changes or corrections that are necessary. The preview tab appears. We can move back to the design tab. And let's go ahead and save the report in PDF format for submission as part of this week's assignment. Change it from report format to PDF. Select all pages in the range. And again, navigate to the location where you'd like to save that for your convenience for uploading to the submission. And save the file. The file is now ready for submission to the course Dropbox for grading. This concludes the lesson.